Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I thought to make a vlog on how I'm gonna transform this top into a nice little dress. Believe it or not, I bought this top at first sight. You know, one of those wrong decisions. So I have two different colors and textures I can work with. Let's see what I can come up with. Time to start it. That's the final result. Do you guys like it? I would really love to know all your thoughts, advices on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.